Well, I just lost my drone in that direction, so we have to go really quick to recover it. Whew. Recovering a lost drone is always fun. Oh my god. Woohoo! A rabbit! Woohoo! Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode of How to Leave IRC. And we continue the saga of the Eachine E58. And today we're going to be flying to get some pretty nice aerial footage from this area. That is awesome over here. And we're going to just fly with the transmitter and then record with the wifi FPV. And let's see how good she can perform the job she's built for. And there she goes. Doesn't it look pretty? I think it looks really awesome over here. But it is a little bit windy, so it's gonna be a little bit tricky to fly. But with the lake, the house, the nice grass, it looks so nice. The forest, you got it all. I just lost my drone. It's time to go back and recover it really quick. Well, I just lost my drone over there. It's time to recover it. I got the last picture on my telephone screen, so I know plus minus where it landed. Just across the forest, so let's get there pretty quick. It should be somewhere over here. Recovering a lost drone is always fun. Oh my god. I'm hearing it. It's I found it. Oh well, there's a water in this ditch that didn't froze up. Come on, drone. It's right over there. Look. Battery is empty. Let's get it and retrieve it. Oh, I'm so happy. Woohoo! A rabbit! Woohoo! Oh my god! Look! Let's get the drone. Oh, I'm so lucky and so happy at the same time. And look how far it came. All the way over the forest, all the way. And it ended up over here. At my telephone screen I was like, oh my god, it's going to end up in the ditch. But still, I'm glad we have FPV. It helps you a lot better when you know the rabbit, where to locate your lost drone. Of course you would like to have a beeper, but a 5-volt beeper from that distance I wouldn't hear it anyways. So having this wifi FPV, I'm really liking it more and more and more. Well, I'm more the guy with the standard 5.8 GHz FPV, but damn, it's not so bad. And I was able to recover my drone. I'm so happy. I hope you like this video, guys, and give it a thumbs up. If you did it, well, then give it a thumbs down. And I hope you subscribe for the next episode in the saga of the 85 is not going to stop. We're going to improve, upgrade, add FPV, upgrade the motors, and a lot of more things that are gonna be really great. I hope you like it, and I want to say goodbye. Until next time.